Hi everyone, welcome to week 9 Design Lab, and in this video we will be going over a brief presentation for the life cycle analysis and your assignment for this week. So life cycle analysis refers to the analysis of a product's entire life, and it encompasses the environmental impacts due to the raw material extraction, material production, manufacturing, product use, the end-of-life disposal, and the transportation that occurs between these stages. So the main types of environmental impacts include air emissions in the form of carbon dioxide, methane, NOx, and particulate matter, and also water emissions mainly due to heavy metals. There are 3 types of evaluation options available when doing a life cycle analysis. So the first one, cradle to grave, it considers everything from harvesting materials to the disposal of the finished good. The cradle to cradle approach considers a regenerative design where the materials are viewed something as nutrients circulating in a healthy metabolism. And finally, the cradle to gate approach considers raw materials to the finished good, but it does not consider its use or the end of life. So when we look at the life cycle of an aluminum can, we start at the manufacturing process and also at the raw material collection. So aluminum starts as bauxite, so you can see the fuel and the energy that is needed for that process, and the CO2, bauxite, and waste material that is produced. There are many emissions that are associated with this process and not just carbon dioxide. There are also water emissions, but in this example, we'll only be looking at CO2 emissions. So after the bauxite mining, we then go to the alumina production. So the bauxites can be processed into alumina. And again, we see the energy inputs such as coal, diesel, oil, electricity, natural gas, and we get the carbon dioxide, aluminum, and waste material output products. So we then go into the aluminum ingot production, and in this one, the same inputs such as fuel and oil can be seen for the production, the rolling process, and finally the can production. So in the rolling process, this refers to the stage after manufacturing where the material is actually created. And finally, the can production, the same sort of inputs can once again be seen, and each step of the process has the energy and fuel inputs as well as the emissions and waste outputs. When doing a complete LCA, all of these processes should be accounted for.